Creating a newsletter shouldn't feel like an uphill battle. It can be simple and enjoyable instead. Don't waste precious time on clunky platforms. Discover how effortless campaign creation can be here. Moosend's user-friendly drag-and-drop editor is perfect for crafting striking newsletters in no time. Say goodbye to tedious setups. Complete your email campaigns in just 5 easy steps. With features like list segmentation and real-time analytics, you can enhance your marketing strategy instantly. Imagine automating your newsletters effortlessly, engaging audiences with more customized and targeted content. Experience the thrill of seeing your campaigns come together seamlessly with our ready-made templates. Join the ranks of famous brands that trust Moosend for their email marketing needs. Our response time is lightning fast. Your questions will be addressed in just minutes, no waiting. Discover the better way to email marketing today, tailored to your unique business needs.